Hello diecast friends! Short video of some hunting finds I did lately. Let's start with some Hot Wheels. I think you guys are familiar with these ones. I love the details from this car. Land Rover, also very cool. The Polizei BMW. Not bad. And I actually found these in Germany, €1 a piece, so that's a very good price. This is definitely my favorite, a Dodge. And I found two of them. And I also found another Land Rover. I found this 52 Chevy. Little bit rusty, so I think it will match good with my Majorette rusty pack. Another Stinger for €1, you can't leave it behind. Beautiful Stinger. And this Ford Mustang Boss. Sweet. I also found this new green light from Hot Pursuit. Ford Bronco. I'm going to open it, but not now. Then I found a newbie from Majorette. This Jeep Wrangler, the Animal Doctor, including trailer with a horsey. So let's open this up. With the camera. So this is a very nice casting, and I kind of like it that it has a red pink color, a little bit shiny. Look at the interior, light blue interior, spare tire on the back. Plastic base, and it's an official licensed product, so that is what we like. Okay, now let's take a look at the trailer. See, it's transparent. Got some details here on the sides. I like the wheels. This is actually a metal base, and of course the rest is plastic. Okay, you can open this up. The horse is sleeping, but we will wake him up. Wake up, horsey. Wake up. Ah, there he is. Here we got the horse. It's a white stallion. He's got one ear down. So the horse is looking very nice. We can do it like this. And he walks out of the back. So that is pretty cool. I'm very happy that I found this one. Then I found the newest Matchbox Wild 2-pack, and I think a lot of you want to see the black AMG with the 6 wheels. Ta-da! Okay, let's open this up and have a look inside. There it is. Let's start with this one. Yes, it's a Nissan Junior. I like this casting because of the camouflage on the side. DLM. Jungle Renegades. There's nothing in the trunk. Okay, this is a little bit too fantasy for me, but it's okay. The Predator. Nothing that special. Then we got this one. This one is actually looking pretty good. It's looking tough. Made in Thailand. Jungle Crowit. Put some light on, so this is better. I like the black with the brown color and the green base. Okay, but the most important car in this pack is the Mercedes-Benz AMG with the 6 wheels, G63. I like this one a lot. Very nice with the black windows, spare tire in the back. I think we all know this casting, but the black with the red line around the rims, it's perfect. Really nice. I'm very glad I have this now in my collection. Okay, and the last one, a true Matchbox casting. All kinds of accessories on top of the roof. The Anaconda guides unit 4. Okay, and what's the actually name? The travel tracker. It's kind of cool. Hey, motorbike here in the front. Looks pretty tough. Then I found this, and I was totally surprised. I was not expecting to find this Top Gun Matchbox pack. Actually a 4-pack. I found it in Germany in a store called Müller. And in this store I found a lot. So let's open it up. Here we got on the back, you see the F-14 Tomcat, the Iceman, the Maverick, and then the Dark Star, it's a fantasy, and the Boeing FA-18 Super Hornet. But I thought maybe the Dark Star is a super secret project from Northrop Grumman. Who knows? Who knows? So you see it's officially licensed by Boeing and Northrop Grumman and Paramount because of the movie Top Gun. Let's see. There they are. So let's start with this one. Of course it is a toy, but I will take just a sec. And I'll take the 2 castings from the Matchbox 5-pack, the Top Gun 5-pack, and look at the difference. This one is so much cooler. They should have put this one in the 5-pack, but I know there's not too much room in it. Not that much detail, but it is a toy. And still, I'm getting pretty happy of this beautiful Tomcat. Here we have the back. It's not possible to spread the wings like this one. But still, it looks pretty cool. Check this out. The other one is almost the same, but here you can see we got the number 114 and here 104, and here on the side it has a logo. Not sure what logo it is. Maybe it's here. Can I see it on the back? This is the Iceman. It's here on the side, and this is the Maverick. See, they're both identical except for the stickers and the numbers. Okay, then we have the F-18 Hornet. Also a very nice plane. The wheels aren't that bad either. And no, we cannot compare this with, for example, Herpa. Like I said, I think they're pretty cool. They're not bad at all. Then we have the secret plane van Northrop Grumman. And this one, it looks actually pretty cool. It has no landing gear, but it comes with a display stand. So you can put this in here. You can place it like this. Not bad, looks pretty stealthy. I like the black color. And let's see, no, it's plastic. It's full plastic. And this is also plastic. I think this over here, no. This is also plastic. Yeah. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Have a nice weekend and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.